Looking to get your WordPress site ranking high search engine, and today step by step guide I show you how to optimize your tags and keywords for maximal SEO impact. Whether you are beginner or professional, this guide will help you to master SEO and drive more traffic to your site. Let's dive in. I go to my post, or you can create new post. I chose my post where like this. I want post no have SEO like this. Okay. Edit. In this article, I will choose focus keyword like sales and sunlight, like this. And first one I doing, I go to like a summary, or you will have too much tool for search about keywords. Many tool for this. I paste this keyword here and search. I searched before. This keyword is selling, is have volume 15 and is easy. This keyword is good. I will back here and go in focus keyword. I passed my keyword and again in first paragraph I will search about my keyword. Sunlight. Okay, I passed here my keyword there, and I let bold like this, and I copy all this, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I think like this is good. More. I think like this is good. I will go for title is more long. I go into ChatGPT and I will tell him, please give me more, give me short of this title like this. I think this is good. I back to my article and post. You see this now is title is is good. I see my SEO. What problem I have? No internal link. Billing. Okay. Here I add synonyms. If you don't have Yoast SEO Pro, you don't have this for add this only this keyword like this. Okay. Where? Yeah. I think this now is good. Okay, I have no internal link. I will search about keyword and add link. I will add like such it is like this. Add link and I search if I have okay, I have article about this. Enter. I think I fix this now. Okay. You tell me you not have my focus keyword more in title. I think I don't have more focus. Okay, now it's good. I go into readability. There I have two problem. Like this. I add this like this. Matches. Okay, I add this keyword. This no first I copy like this, copy and go ChatGPT, add this and back to article and add this. Enter. I think it solves my problem. Again. My problem is solved here. Only one more. Panel. The panel. Okay, one more phrase. Like this. Go ChatGPT. Edit. Control V. I copy like this. Back to my article. And I paste here. And now it's good. Only this if you want to fix, you do like what I am doing with the ChatGPT. Now we add attacks. Okay, we will now to copy this copy this keyword. I copy this keyword and I go to this tool, keyword tools, add, search. This not work, or maybe I go here, search. I think this keyword is have too much. This keyword is good for ranking your website or something like this. I copy the CSV. I go there. Okay, I copy image. I copy all this keyword. I think 15 is enough. Control C, and you go in Google and you type at comma like this, and you enter dilem.co. You will paste all keyword and you type there, select and Control C, copy this, and you back to your article and type here and paste all keyword. Now my article, it's good. It's okay. I will go for save. Now I click here to view my article. This my article, and this are your tag. This let you ranking and first in Google. Now I copy my link. I copy my link and I go to Search Console. Okay. I go to my website and I paste my article and enter, and click here. One moment, and we click here again. Now it's good, my article. That's all in today. I show you how you are optimize your article for ranking and first in Google. If you like this video, give me like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video.